Today we're installing a front bumper on a 2016 Mitsubishi Lancer. To start off, we'll be changing out these brackets on both sides that hold the clips onto the sides of the bumper.
Okay. Alright, so we're going to uninstall the bumper brackets, or replace them because they're broken. Simply just drill out the screws. We get the bolt on the bottom, 10mm bolt. It should come right off, or snap off. You can see it's snapped in right there in the middle.
Got a couple clips.
So ideally you want to do it by hand to see how slow it's going with the drill. You don't want to break anything. That's it. Alright, we're just going to repeat on the other side. Snap it in place. You see the guide snaps, there's 3 of them. Line up the holes.
And now we're going to install the bumper. We're going to start off by putting the top part up here and probably putting a bolt or 2 in and then clipping in the sides.
So you want to make sure that the brackets on the top go over. It's catching right there by your hand. Yeah, the black brackets go on top. So if you're doing this by yourself, you can put it on and then get a bolt and just hold it in place. So this way it doesn't fall when you're trying to clip the ends in. So there's that weird white bracket that was on the back. That's to line up, and then you snap in the bumper to the brackets here. So keep in mind this is much easier when you have someone helping you on the other side. So hold it up. You kind of want to just gently push it in, just so that it snaps into the bracket and it gets held. Just gently push it and then work your way around the headlights, and then to the other side. So make sure that this bracket is underneath the headlight. Snaps on to something under the headlight. And push in the bumper. Gently push it in, do not force it. Don't hammer fist it, make sure it sits in there first. And then you can secure it. There is 4 total.
5.
Oh, 5 total. Oh, yes, right, the one on the inside. I missed it. Just to the right of the hood latch. The bumper is secure. So normally at this point you would go to the bottom and put on the splash shield, but this customer is missing the splash shield and she did not purchase a splash shield. So what we're going to do is put the clips, if you remember, they're on each end. On the bottom we're going to clip that to the wheel fender liner. So once you put in the 10mm bolt, it's up here. We're doing it by hand because it's much easier. You're going to put in the clips for the fender liner, and the fender liner goes behind the bumper, but the tabs are over it. So let's see. Apologies for the lighting. So you put in the clip. So you put in the clips. And then you just push in the middle part, or you torque it in. Torque. Torque. Twist it. Yeah. Phillips screwdriver will do the job. Just tighten it in. So once you do that, we're going to move to the other side and just repeat the process. So make sure the pin is out, and then just push up until it snaps in. There you go. And there's another one here, but she didn't get the splash shield, as well as bolts to go in. You want to slide in these brackets for the screws, so you can thread them in. You just slide on. And this is where you would put the screw to the rest of the splash shield. But she, I guess, was going to get this at a later time. We don't have it. She didn't want to install it. Okay, so last thing we want to do is put on this weather strip on the top of the bumper. You just clip it into the holes. It's very easy.
Don't forget to plug in the wiring harness.
Here is the harness. There it is. And then we're going to put the towage cap. Snap that bad boy on. So this is the original tow hitch cap that was on her.
Bam.
It snaps in, you're good. Lastly, we're going to put the radiator shield, the radiator guard on. It goes underneath the intake and it clips on.
And that's how you install a front bumper on a 2016 Mitsubishi Lancer. Please like, comment, and subscribe to the page, and thanks for watching.